How can the packaging of crispy dried radish be automated from weighing to sealing? Station 1 high-precision weighing and filling machine, specially optimized for irregular materials such as dried radish, using a combined weighing system to ensure accurate weight of each can. Feed the material gently to reduce breakage and ensure the product's integrity. Station 2 double-head capping machine receives filled cans, with both heads operating simultaneously, doubling efficiency. Two core processes, seamlessly connected,